Number 12, wrist rotation. For this, is talking about per measure, you want to have this circular motion with your wrist. So you want to first relax, make sure your hand's not stiff, but relax. Okay, wrist can bounce up and down a little bit. Then just start drawing circles. Okay, it can be small or slow circles. It could be fast circles. So just to get used to this motion. Okay, now try to time it so that the full circle comes around per measure. Okay, slow speed. 1 and 2 and 3. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now backwards. C, something I didn't mention is not only the wrist drawing circle, you also try to push with your elbow. So the elbow also goes outwardly. Okay, so you should connect this motion both with your wrist and elbow. All right, let's try fast speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and... C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Now if you can't do fast speed with the rotation, it's completely okay, because usually when it's fast speed, we just try to keep up and try to focus on the timing and less of the motion. So usually motion happens when it's slower speed.